Want to know how to convert hard-coded values into constants in Cursor AI automatically? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So it's super simple, and let's get right into it. So first things first, you can just simply open up a Cursor AI application and write or open up any code. So we have also created similar videos of Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, and you should be under this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, you can just simply select Ctrl plus A, which will select the entire code. So now once you select the entire code, what you can do is, in order to convert it directly, I would recommend to you to open up a quick editor. Just simply select Ctrl plus K for that. So right here, once you've selected Ctrl plus K, your quick editor should open up. And now once you've selected this quick editor, what you can do is you can just simply type in anything that you like. So what you can type in is this. So once I've selected that, all the hard-coded values, as you can see right here, is being converted into constants in real time. So once I've selected that, you can just simply select Ctrl plus Y in order to keep it, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.